Hey guys, I'm Surabhi. Welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please like, subscribe, share and hit the bell icon for notification. Well, as Smart India Hackathon is round the corner, I thought why not to discuss about hackathons in general as well as Smart India Hackathon, that is SIH. So hackathon means you are given a problem statement and you need to hack or find the solution to the problem statement. Now, who organizes these hackathons? So, these hackathons can be either organized by government, for example, Smart India Hackathon, Kavach. They can be organized by companies like Microsoft, Facebook, Flipkart for their hiring process or internship process, as well as they can be organized by technical clubs and societies of college or college fest, etc. Talking about the time duration, they can range from 24-hour hackathon to 36-hour hackathon in most cases. So usually Smart India Hackathon is a 30-hour hackathon. Where is it organized? So the first round of the hackathon can be in your college itself. Well, this is a good news if you're used to your college, because then you will be used to your premises and that can make things easier for you. Now let us talk about pre-hackathon. आपको hackathon से पहले क्या क्या करना चाहिए? So the first thing is team building. You need to decide a team where there are max 6 people, and in government hackathons, there one girl is compulsory in a team. There can be more than one, but one girl is compulsory. The next part is choosing problem statement. Now, in case of Smart India Hackathon, you receive a wholesome list of problem statements and you need to filter it and according to your requirements and interest, select a problem statement that interests you and you need to prepare a proposal. Now, what is a proposal? Let me explain you in detail. You pick a problem statement, you decide and you kind of understand why you have chosen that problem statement and try to explain it to the judges. Now, the need of the problem statement in today's world, or even is it relevant next generation, etc. What is your solution to it? What features will you add in your solution? Are there any existing solutions? If, then why is your solution better? And numerous other questions are answered through your proposal. Proposal is where you kind of explain your project to the judges. Now you have to make a PPT which includes all your answers, features, etc. in bullet points or whatever format they have specified, and then you need to record as voiceover of yours explaining the whatever points you have written more clearly. You can even obtain a different kind of form like question answer form or things like that in order to convey your message to the judges in the selection round. When you qualify this round, when you pass this round is when you qualify for the main hackathon, the proper hackathon. So this is all about the pre-hackathon plus. Now you need to understand how much time duration is your hackathon and where is it, and accordingly decide what you need to carry to the hackathon. Like for example, if it is overnight, you need to carry toothbrush or extra pair of clothes or mosquito repellent, etc. Now comes the most interesting phase, the main phase, which is the hackathon, the day or the days as you can call it. So in case of Smart India Hackathon, I'll tell you about the format. It had 2 judging rounds, okay? So at the end of day 1, we had the first judging round, in which we were asked questions about our project and our PPT, our proposal, and what all coding we have done until what we have reached in our project. So basically they compare what you had proposed until where you have reached, and then they might suggest you more things or they might correct you a few things, etc. Now, one pro tip here. So at the first judging round and second judging round is different. Okay, the judges are different. But still, if the first judging round, the judges have suggested you to implement something, then until the second judging round, it has to be implemented. Well, this is not compulsory. और अब आप सोचेंगे कि judges तो अलग-अलग है, तो क्या फायदा? But the thing is that when you are given a chance to speak in the second judging round to tell about your project, you must mention that in the first judging round somebody has suggested you something and hence you found it relevant and you kind of implemented it in your project or tried to implement it. This basically shows your interest towards learning and programming. And even in the second round, the judges might suggest you some more good things for the betterment, etc. And obviously, marks bhi zyada de denge, so that's another advantage. Also, for the second judging round, another tip: work but be attentive. Sometimes the questions are quite simple, but because of you not being attentive, you might lose on it. So be attentive, be focused, be calm, and answer their questions very nicely. Your confidence is really important in this. So for this second judging round, one tip our mentor had suggested, which I'll share with you guys, that in the second judging round too, after you have completed your proposal, you can suggest few more things in your proposal and prepare a new proposal. So you can basically create a new PPT or work on the same PPT you used for the first proposal, first judging round and second judging round. You can propose few new features which you found relevant after working on the project, or maybe somebody suggested them to you, and you can signify their importance. Now, like, why did you not add it? So the answer can be simply like you don't know how to add it, or you didn't have enough time, you didn't have adequate resources. In case your answer is not the first option, you may need to like kind of explain them that um, in which method or how do you plan to add it and its importance. Okay, so I missed on one point, which is the mentor. So basically, mentors are either assigned to you or you need to choose them and you need to report them every task you do. Benefits of participating in a hackathon. So obviously, you get a certificate of participation and winners might get cash prizes, goodies from the sponsors, or maybe other benefits, advantages from the sponsors like stickers, etc. And in some cases, they might also get internships. So I know a few people who have won a hackathon and secured a summer internship at a really good company. So sometimes these hackathons are really beneficial. And obviously, you get to learn a lot. You get to learn not just about coding, but also about networking or interpersonal skills, communication skills, team skills, etc. Obviously, you're going to interact with mentors, judges, so you like kind of get a lot of knowledge about other things in the world as well as programming and what you need to follow, roadmaps, etc. Now, the most important question, the purpose of this video, I would say. Should you participate in a hackathon? Well, the answer is definitely yes. You get to learn a lot, and most importantly, you get to know where you stand. That is very important because you learn a lot from your peers and then you get to know how they are doing. So you learn where you stand, like in your age or even people elder to you. With the help of your mentors, you can understand your place and accordingly work towards achieving your goals. So you should definitely participate in the hackathon for the experience, and it is really enriching. Now, the golden question: should I participate in the first year? Well, yes. It is a really good experience. You can learn a few things about coding, you can learn other things, extracurricular things, and it is a really good experience for a first year. And now, other questions like should I participate even if I don't know coding, etc. etc. So, that kind of depends on you and your team. Well, there are many other things in the hackathons apart from coding, like preparing the PPT, proposal, and answering the questions, etc. But obviously, there has to be a balance in the team. Like other people should be pro at coding if you don't know, but that is something you and your team can decide. But yes, there is no eligibility criteria for the hackathon, like they don't provide you with a test or something. So you can always participate in the hackathon if your team and you can coordinate with that. So that's it for today's video. I hope you really like the video and you participate in the hackathon. Make the fullest of this opportunity. Enjoy coding. Thank you.